Justin Ceiling Fence 2006 here. This is a Progress Lane Air Pro Builder 52 inch ceiling fan in the master bedroom of my grandparents' house. Today I'm going to do all 3 speeds. I'm going to show you with the light off real quick, even though you can't see. Now I'm going to turn it on. Oh yeah, the switch. Here is high. So I'm gonna this is on high. You cannot see, but there's a very slight wobble to it. I don't think you can see it, but there's a very slight wobble to it. Now, yeah. Now going to medium. Here it is on medium. Yeah, this is it on medium. Now, I'm going to put it on low. Here it is on low. Yep, this is low. I'm good. Turn off. anyways, like, I'll stop it for you. Okay. There is the Progress Lighting Air Pro Builder ceiling fan in the master bedroom of my grandparents' house. Anyways, peace. See y'all in the next video. Bye.